everyone. If you want to start your career in IT and you are confused about where to begin, this video is just for you. So today we are going to discuss all about why to choose IT as well as career option, where to start, how to get a job and bonus tip. Okay. So first of all, let's see why you choose IT. IT is full of opportunities as well as a high pay salary as well as career opportunities, global opportunities, right? So all these are opportunities are full of opportunities. Okay. So most of the it's a popular choice. You know well, right? Even non-IT people is entering into the IT, right? So career options. Second is career options. So today, whenever we ask someone, they say, "I just want a developer. I just want to be a developer," right? I just met a lot of people who just recently pass out, and I asked them which career you want. So they just say we want developer, but they didn't even say self assessment. They didn't even check what I like and all. Okay, before choosing any career, please go through this. And the options are software development. So first career option is software development, right? So in software development is all about coding. Okay, next is QA. It's a manual testing plus automation. Third is DevOps. It's Jenkins, Docker, everything is here in DevOps. Business analysis, BA, who explain user stories to developer. His connection between developer and client. Okay. Uh, UI design. We have a UI design as well. Cyber security we have, right? As well as cloud engineer we have. Okay. And we have data analysis, data scientists, okay, as well as we have SAP consultants and IT support. You can be also IT support, okay? It is not like you must have all this, you can also IT support. Now the question is where to start, third option, right? So you can first self assessment. You can do your self assessment, like ask yourself, do I like coding? Okay, and then uh, are you analytical thinker, creative? You can go in a QA. Okay, now choose a career path. Whether you want to become a developer, then go for if you then choose a path. Okay, so if you want to be developer, learn Java. Okay, if you want to be a QA, learn manual testing. If you want SAP, then learn all about SAP MM, SD, lot of modules. Okay, now you already chosen a path. You know, let's suppose you want to be a developer, you learn Java, you just started Java, so start learning. So you have a YouTube free platform as well as great learning. Okay, so you have great learning. Paid platform is Udemy. Okay, and simply learn. Udemy is a paid. So now once you learn, you have to do practice as well. So you have a GitHub. Okay, and as well as HackerRank. Open a HackerRank platform and start practicing. Now it's done. So now you practice. Fourth step is building a project. So once you become a pro, just start building a project. Add that project in on a GitHub and in your resume. The fourth is how you can get a job. So open a LinkedIn account. Okay, open a LinkedIn account as well as Naukri account and actively search job daily. Okay, and then um, apply for the job. Okay, as well as you can apply for the internship as well. Okay, the bonus tip is practice your skill 1 hour daily. Okay, 1 hour you have to practice daily. Okay, and start your networking on a LinkedIn. Start networking. Okay, important is your communications. Improve your communication. Okay, please improve your communication skill. If you don't get a job initially, start with the internship. You can also start with internship. We have an Intershala platform. So this video is all about Intershala platform. You can go through that and check it. Okay. So IT career is a marathon. Okay. So not so be patient. Okay. It is not a sprint. Be patient. Keep learning. Success will follow. Okay. If you like to make deep video in that, please comment me below. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.